Geography Lesson 5th Industries. Economic activity is an activity of providing, making, buying or selling commodities or services by people to satisfy day-to-day needs of life. Three types of economic activities. These are primary activity, secondary activity and tertiary activities. Primary activities include all those connected with extraction and production of natural resources. Example, agriculture, fishing, like that. Secondary activities are concerned with the processing of resources. Example, manufacturing of steel, baking of bread, like that. Tertiary activities provide support to the primary and secondary sector through services. Example, transport, trade, banking, insurance and advertising are the examples of tertiary activities. Now we discuss about secondary activities or manufacturing. Change raw material into products or more value to people. As you have seen, pulp was changed into paper and paper into a notebook. These represent the two stages of manufacturing process. Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods, extraction of minerals or provision of services. Thus we have iron and steel industry, coal mining industry and tourism industry. Classification of industries. Industries can be classified on the basis of raw materials, size and ownership. These are the general classification of industries on the basis of raw materials, on the basis of size, on the basis of ownership. First one, on the basis of raw material. These are the categorization of agro-based industries, mineral-based industry, marine-based industry and forest-based industries. Then second one, on the basis of size. These are the large-scale industry and small-scale industry. Last one, on the basis of ownership. That is public sector industries, private sector industries, joint sector industries and cooperative sector industries. On the basis of raw materials, industry may be agro-based, mineral-based, marine-based and forest-based depending on the type of raw materials they use. Agro-based industries use plant and animals-based products as their raw materials. Food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textiles, dairy products and leather industries are the examples of agro-based industries. Then mineral-based industries are primary industries that use mineral ore as their raw materials. The products of these industries feed other industries. Iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral-based industry. This is used as raw material for the manufacture of number of other products such as heavy machinery, buildings materials and railway coaches. Then marine-based industries use products from the sea and oceans as raw materials. Industry processing seafood or manufacturing fish oil are some examples. Last one, forest-based industries utilize forest produce as raw materials. The industries associated with the forest are pulp and paper, pharmaceutical, furniture and buildings. Then second classification on the basis of size. It's referred to amount of capital invested, number of people employed and the volume of production based on the size. Industry can be classified into small scale industries and large scale industries. Cottage or household industries are a type of small scale industries. Small scale industries is lesser amount of capital and technology as compared to large scale industries that produce large volume of products. Investment or capital is higher and technology used is superior in the large scale industries. Then last one on the basis of ownership. Industries can be classified into private sector, state-owned or public sector, joint sector and cooperative sector. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. The public sector industries are owned and operated by the government, such as Hindustan Aeronautic Limited, Steel Authority of India Limited. Joint sector industries are owned and operated by the state and individuals or a group of individuals. Maruti Udyog Limited is an example of joint sector industries. Cooperative sector industry are the owned and operated by the producers and suppliers of raw materials, workers of both. Anand Milk Union Limited and Sudha Dairy are the success stories of cooperative ventures. Factors affecting location of industries. The factors affecting the location of industries are the availability of raw materials, labor, capital, market, water, power, land, transport, communication. These are the factors affecting location of industries. Then the distribution of major industries. The words major industries are the iron and steel industries, the textile industry and the information technology industries. The iron and steel industries and textile industry are the older industries, while information technology is an emerging industries. The countries in which iron and steel industry is located are Germany, USA, China, Japan and Russia. Textile industry is concentrated in India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan and Taiwan. The major hubs of information technology industries are the Silicon Valley of Central California and the Bangalore region of India.